Hey there, Joel here, and welcome to my channel, Math World. And I'm sure you'll be wondering, why was I silent on my channel for such a long time? And that is only because I've been working on something great for, a first-time experience for myself. And once everything is sorted and it's done, and I have the official news, I will tell it over here. So right now let's keep it aside. But in today's video, what we're going to learn is how we can convert temperature from Celsius to Kelvin or Kelvin to Celsius in this video. I hope you will learn. So let's move on to the computer and get this thing done. Alright, so let's learn how to do this temperature conversion. And here I want to convert temperature from degrees Celsius to degrees Kelvin. So to start with, I'll tell you how to remember this. So let us say I have written letters on a straight road from A to K, and I am standing at point C. Now if I want to walk towards point K, all I have to do is walk towards the direction. That means I will be going in the alphabetical order from C to D to E to F and so on. So let us take an example that I have walked from C to point K by taking 273 steps. So from C, I'm moving to point K, taking 273 steps. And that is exactly how you will learn or how you will convert degrees Celsius to degrees Kelvin. Whatever the temperature is there, just add plus 273 to it. That's it. Okay. Now you may find this a bit odd that how the number of steps are related to temperature conversion. They're not related. It is just a way for you to remember. That's it, nothing else. So there's no logic of numbers on a straight road, number of steps, and all that is just for you to understand. So when you are going in the alphabetical order from C, that is from degrees Celsius, to converting it to degrees Kelvin, all I will do is add 273. That is what I want to put across to you, because most of the time students get confused. Like at some point of time they will add, suddenly they will minus, and they make a big blunder. So for you to remember, from C, when you're moving to K, all I have to do is add plus 273 because you're going in the direction of the letters. Okay, so let us take an example. This is for you to remember, and the example is here. Convert 123 degrees Celsius to Kelvin. So whatever the temperature is in Celsius, I will add plus 273, and it would be something like this. So C plus 273, right? We'll convert it into Kelvin. And after doing the math, you will get 396 degrees Kelvin. Let us take another example. 249.09 degrees Celsius to Kelvin. All you gotta do is add plus 273. So after adding, this would become, so you have to add 249 plus 273, and please do not make that mistake of adding 0.09 to 273. That will be added after the decimal point. So in case of 273, it is just one second, I'll just show it to you. So it is 273 point 00, right? And I will add 249.09 over here. So write them like this. So whenever I say that this is just this much number, then this decimal point is after the last number, right? And you have studied all this in the lower class. This is not something new. That's something that you have to study in the 9th standard, but you need to remember this. Okay, and so after doing the math, one sec, and please ignore the sounds because nowadays it's the rain plus the traffic sound also. So
So 249.09 plus 273 will give you 522.09 degrees Kelvin. Okay, let us take another example. I need to convert minus 478 degrees Celsius to Kelvin. So whatever the number might be, add plus 273 because you're moving from Celsius to Kelvin. Okay, so this will become, so minus and plus will become minus. To the math, sign of the greater number in Kelvin, right? So now we are converting Kelvin to Celsius. So remember the straight road again. You are at point K right now and you want to come back to point C. In this case, we are moving backwards, right? So minus 273 steps will get you back to point C. So whatever the degrees temperature is given to you in Kelvin, I will minus 273 from that. So I'm moving from K to C, right? So minus 273. So this would become, let's take an example, minus 90K to Celsius. So whatever the temperature in Kelvin, minus 273 would be minus and minus plus. So 90 plus 273 will give you 363. Just put a negative sign there, and there was a small typing error there. So the greater sign will be always for the number, right? So minus 263 degrees Celsius. Let's take another example. 101.01 degrees Kelvin to Celsius. Minus 273 is what you need to do, and plus and minus will become minus. Answer is 171.99. Sign of the greater number, degrees Celsius. Here is another example. Minus 273 degrees Kelvin to Celsius. So when I'm converting from Kelvin to Celsius, I need to minus 273. So minus 237 minus 273. So minus and minus will become plus. Do the math, and sign of the greater number will be degrees Celsius. And if you have understood this method, please go ahead and solve these problems. It's that simple. Converting from C to K in the alphabetical order, plus 273. Opposite, then it is minus 273.
I hope you have understood whatever was taught and learned the technique and the trick to remember how to do the temperature conversions. So you can solve those problems that are there. And if you like this video, then please don't forget to hit the like button, share the video with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and stay safe, stay blessed. Till then, this is Joel saying bye.